Hey guys, I'm onto the mash. I'm here to announce that I've just been made a brand ambassador for OBSBOT, who work with cameras, and they got amazing products. In fact, they've just sent me a box with 2 cameras for me to showcase for you guys. So yeah, let's check them out. Okay, I have the box right here. Here it is. You can confirm this from OBSBOT, and yeah, let's take a look inside. I don't have a pair of scissors. I do have a knife. Don't try this at home. I'm guessing that's obligation for me to say. But yeah, I don't have proper box opening tools like a Stanley knife or whatever. So this is what we're going with. Let's have a look at what we got inside. We have these 2 bad boys right here. First off, we have the Tiny 2 Lite, and we also have the Meet 2. We are going to be looking at these, and I'm going to be showing them off to you guys as well, along with the software that comes with. Okay, so let's take a look at the Meet 2 first, which is right here. It comes in 3 different colors. I have it in space gray, and of course it's in 4K as well, as it states on the box. Let's take a look inside. Okay, comes with instructions in a neat little package again. Mini in size, mighty in sight, as it says in the front. And here's the camera. It's tiny, right? But yeah, it's really neat. It's USB-C, has a little screw on the bottom, or that you can attach it to anything, like if you want to attach it to your shoulder or your chest, like if you're going to go running with it or something, or even like a tripod, you know. Or it does come with this magnetic foldable stand, so you can just like put it to the top of your monitor, or but it is magnetic, like so, just like that. It magnetizes to the top, and you can put it on top. Okay, so we'll hook this up and we'll take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at the Meet 2. So here it is. I got the software set up for it. It's all connected in now as well, and here we go. This is it. This is the camera. You got a little preview section within the OBSBOT Center. You have to download this separately on the website. But it's a really handy tool. It you can put all your OBSBOT cameras all in one place with it as well, so you can just configure everything all at the same time if you have them set at multiple in multiple locations. As you can see, look, it's reacting to my hand gestures, which is you know, it's all AI built, so I can zoom in with my hand like that, and then I can zoom out again, and it follows my face as well, because that's what I got it set to currently, which is here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have auto framing, which basically allows you to use all those fancy settings like you just seen there with my hand gestures. But here it is. If I turn this on, it'll now follow my head everywhere I go, and then you can also select different groups. So you got like upper body, so then it'll try and focus more on your upper body as opposed to your head. With my camera angles right now, it's not you know, obviously it's not going to show it that well, but it will try and zoom out. There we go. Not just that, you can see it just focus back in. You can actually just put it into group mode, and it'll just do everything. It'll group everything together. But yeah, but there's more settings as well. You can turn off autofocus, so it won't see, it's not focusing on me right now, but if I put my hand in the way, it'll focus more on my hand. Let's put that back on just so it focuses back on my face. There we go. Not just that, you can have auto exposure, or you can just have it all set manually to how you want it. Then you got anti-flicker, which you can have up to 60 Hertz on, so 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz. I'd probably recommend 60 Hertz, but you can even just leave it off if there's no issues you're having. And also you can change the saturation, the contrast, sharpness, and hue of the actual image itself. The settings are already at 50. I feel really good. The colors pop in, everything's out, you know. This is currently in 4K though, So you can change it within the settings if you go to set and then go to output. Actually, no, my bad. I apologize. This is in 1080. You can change it to 4K right here, and you can see it's pausing my image, and now we're in 40K. 4K, sorry. But in 30 hertz only. So the FPS rate is lower, but you get it in 4K now. So yeah. You can also change the preview mode into portrait. As you can also see here as well, you can set it to encode through your hardware, through the actual camera, or via the software, which is this. That depends on your preference, whatever works best for you. I would go through hardware because it's more capable of doing that. And then you got your recording settings as well, because you can record through this as well through the OBSBOT center. And yeah, you can set what format you want it to, bitrate, and where you want to set it to as well. And you can set macros like hotkeys. You can set that to, you know, if you don't want to use hand gestures through AI, you can use keyboard bindings instead. You can also set it up through a server. And there we have it. There's just the general settings of the software there, but that's the software. We're more focused on the camera right now. But yeah, this is the Me Too. I will show you guys what it looks like again, which is right here. See the focus then? It focused really well. Anyway, let's take a look at the Tiny Lite 2. Okay, so I got the Tiny Lite 2 here. It's right here. It's not much bigger. Don't be deceived by the box. It's also in 4K again. It's AI powered as well. This one says, "Stay pro, stay productive." Also comes with instructions. But here we have it, neatly packaged, and it looks very sleek, I must say. Yeah, it looks pretty neat, right? Let's hook this up and take a look. So one thing I forgot to mention, it does actually have its own little stand, so you can actually just hook it right to onto your monitor. It also comes with a little screw in as well, on both through there and the back. I think you gotta open that up though, and yeah, and then you can hook that onto something else too. But I'm gonna put this on top of my monitor. So what we have here, I put the camera right in front of my other camera. As you can see, like I said before, you can, with the OBSBOT center, you can have both on at the same time, and you can take a look at them both and configure them both at the same time. Okay, so this is on standard, so it doesn't move about when you move about, but when you put on motion and normal tracking, it should start following you about. It's really good, right? And you know, I can have it, I got 4 more options with this one, as you can see. So you got upper body, so it should track where my upper body is. It'll look at everything. I have a close-up of my face. Then headless, it'll go there. Yeah, monster mash, eh? And then lower body, which will go even lower, and it'll look at all of my torso. So you could show off, like, you know, your merch, if you will, and you know, if you're a streamer, which is, like, for me, it's more beneficial, and I think it's great. But let's go back to the body. But yeah, it's pretty neat, right? You can also have hand tracking. So I got my right hand here. It'll follow my right hand. There you go. And then up. As you can see, my stuff there. And I can set it to left hand too. If I bring it back up here, ignore all the boxes. I'm in a new place right now, so I'm just sorting everything out. And it'll follow my left hand about everywhere. But we want to group it and go back to my face. You can also add presets, and you can change the view of it. You can go from wide, which is everything there, medium, or narrow. And you can reset it. You can press the reset button. yeah, that's the cameras for you, and I hope you liked what you see, and yeah, I hope you get check it out some more yourselves. I'm out. It's nice knowing you. Bye for now.